Dr. Barrett,
Yeah.
what's the oldest implant you've ever replaced?
I had somebody who had like 30-year-old silicone implants, and I mean, this was like the OG implant, and it had like no labeling on it, no tracking device on it whatsoever. It was actually intact. I felt it and it felt like the silicone was bleeding through. It was like the old school stuff, nothing like what we have now. And it was encapsulated in like an eggshell of calcium. Such a super old capsule, and it was pretty bad. So I don't recommend keeping implants in for a long period of time like that, especially those old implants that they used to use. It was time for her to come out. We were able to clean out all that tissue and put in brand new implants, and she was happy.
There's so many people in our comments saying that they've had their implants in for 40 years. Do you think they should get them replaced?
Yeah, if you've had your implants in for 40 years, I think they're probably ruptured and your body's like containing it, and you're just a superhuman person, and it's walling off a bad thing that you should probably get rid of. It's probably draining your energy, you just don't realize it.